How to collaborate with agents on tickets in Freshdesk. Hello friends, welcome to another Freshdesk tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can collaborate um with agents on tickets in Freshdesk. Doing this would make your issues or your work more efficient, so it is very essential. So once you've done that, the first thing you need to do is to add collaborators to your account. All right, add collaborators to your account. And then how can you add collaborators to your account? Once you're logged in, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu displaying options like dashboard, tickets, contact companies, etc. Scroll down until you can see the gear icon. Once you click on this gear icon, you'll be brought to the guest page. On this page, by the left side of the screen, you can see the option team just above channels. So just click on team. After clicking on team, on this page, navigate through to agents and click on it. Then the next step is to create a new agent by clicking on new agent. And here you have to select the agent type. Now the agent type that you are going to select is collaborator. Alright, because since you are trying to collaborate with other people on your account. So after selecting collaborator, you'll be asked to input the email address in here of the person you want to collaborate with. Type in the signature, the scope, click on create agent, and once this person has been accepted as a collaborator, you can now go ahead and collaborate with them by adding them to the tickets you're creating, or by adding them, or by involving them in whatever you do. So this is basically how to do it actually. Ensure you try this out and implement all that you've learned. Have a nice day.